Look at these fucking things. They're gonna rip shit up. Even bigger than the fucking speed tires. Them are gonna rub the body. Nice. Got the first side on. I'm gonna tear it up. That's what I ended up getting. Definitely seemed like some sweet tires. We're about to try them out. They're all on. I'm gonna go throw a 6S battery in this thing and let it throw grass for 30 feet. There it is with the 6S battery. 100C discharge. That's got the 26 tooth pinion in it. Hot racing rear diff. Hot racing CV joints. Typhoon 6S shocks. And some Trenchers. Right on, I'm gonna put the body on and let her eat. Here's the slash. It's got the Proline MX28s on it. The old Arrma motor. ESC. That thing runs pretty good too, it's light. This thing weighs like 12 to 15 pounds. One damn jump and blew the glue right off the tires. I'll have to clean all the mud and water off of that and re-glue them and let them sit for 24 hours. That sucks. Them are the Trenchers. The MX28s took some abuse. I don't know about these.